Hello, my name is Angela, and I'm going to show you how I vote my Doyon proxy on the phone. First, I go to eProxy.doyon.com. Alright, and here you enter the birth date, and then the last four of your social, and you click sign in. And there it gives you your voting information, your shareholder ID number, the number of shares that you own, and the total number of voting shares that you have. If you go down, they have the proxy card information. There's the proxy statement, the board candidate matrix, and then here are the candidates that are running for the Doyon board. And then on the side here is where you designate your shares, and it has to total the number of your total votes. And then if you want to do a write-in candidate, there is where you would enter the information. If you would like to designate a proxy holder for your shares, this is where you would put their name, and then you would click continue. And then here again, it will verify the information that you've put in, and then you would electronically signature, which is again the last four of your social security number. Click submit, and then it would prompt you again to see if you would like to submit your eProxy. And then there's your confirmation. And that is how quick and easy it is to vote your Doyon eProxy. Thank you for voting.